Hey, this is Arshad from Amrita Health Foods. I wanted to take you through a tour of our facility and how we make the protein bars from scratch. So we follow a 6-step process in this dedicated allergen-friendly facility. And I want to take you through the 6 steps. Step 1 is basically getting all the dry ingredients together. So for dry ingredients, we're typically talking about sunflower seeds, shredded coconut, dried fruits, the brown rice protein. Mix it all together in these big bowls, a 50-pound combined bowl of dry and wet. Step 2 is the wet ingredients. So the wet ingredients are typically the dates and the sunflower seed butter. And so for dates, we're using something called date paste. It's basically dates that have been made into a paste. For sunflower seed butter, we're actually making the butter here right on the facility because it allows us to have really fresh sunflower seed butter. So that's our wet ingredient. Step 3 is us taking the wet ingredients over to our mixer. And you can see us put our wet ingredients in the mixer. And then we combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and we let it mix for about 5 minutes-ish. And then this forms a really nice dough essentially. That's the end of step 3. Step 4 is taking this dough over to an extrusion machine. And extrusion simply means we take dough, we mold it into shapes. Extrusion can be a ball, it can be a rectangle. In our case, it's a rectangle. And you can see how this rectangle, this bar comes out, and we can set whatever weight we want. In the case of the protein bar, it's set at 60 grams. So we're weight checking constantly, making sure they're providing you 60 or a little bit higher of the weight. The next step is taking this product over to our flow wrapper. And so in the flow wrapper, which is step number 5, we're basically wrapping this extruded bar with a foil, and it's an airtight, air-sealed foil. So this way, the product is basically fresh for a year plus. And then we also give it a date on that. So you can see these bars coming out through the flow wrapper. And then once all the bars are collected, the last step, step number 6, is to just take these bars and put them into boxes and put a date stamp on the boxes and then have it ready for you to consume. So that's a really simple 6-step process. You know, it's a really small facility. We run it with about 4 to 6 people on an average day. We're making about 10,000 bars on an average day, and we want to keep it fresh. So we keep our batch size small, and that way we can get the products out to you fresh in the process. We're a gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, and soy-free facility, and so everything we do falls within that allergy-friendly profile. Thanks for the time, and hope you enjoy our products.